One Faceless YouTube channel recently hit over 131,000 subscribers, generating an estimated $58,000 in monthly revenue from ad payouts. They achieved these metrics in a single month by uploading exactly 13 videos. The entire production pipeline to make these videos relies completely on free AI tools. You need zero upfront financial investment to replicate this workflow. Step 1 is setting up the geographic target. Inside YouTube Studio settings, you must change your channel's country of residence to the United States. Next, go to your upload defaults and set both your video language and your title and description language to English. This ensures your content is served to an American audience. Proper geographical configuration is a technical requirement for this model. This setup directs your content to viewers in regions where advertisers pay the highest rates per 1,000 views. We begin the production phase by extracting a proven competitor script. Find a high-performing video in your niche and run the link through a free web-based transcript generator. When the text generates, you need to copy the raw transcript, specifically without the timestamps attached. Take that raw text, along with a few screenshots of the competitor's video, and paste them directly into ChatGPT. The screenshots provide the AI with the visual pacing and stylistic context of the video. Instruct the AI to analyze this data and generate a list of 10 new similar topic ideas based on the competitor's format. Once you select a topic, tell the AI to write a new script that matches the exact word count of the original transcript you provided. Matching the exact length and structural flow of a proven script allows you to replicate the specific pacing that already holds viewer attention. Next, bring your generated script into a text-to-speech platform like ElevenLabs. You must select a clear U.S. accented voice profile, such as Adam. Using local or non-U.S. accents reduces viewer retention for this specific demographic. To keep these viewers engaged, the voice must sound native to the region. Before hitting generate, clean up your text, remove the title, and delete any large formatting spaces or line breaks to prevent unnatural pauses and audio glitches in the final read. Set the speaking speed to exactly 0.95. This creates an optimal, measured pace for explainer content. Next is timestamp mapping. You need the exact second a line is spoken to align your visual edit. Upload the audio into a free transcription tool like TurboScribe. It generates a document outlining the exact start and stop times for every sentence. These precise second-by-second timestamps provide the data required to synchronize AI imagery to specific lines in the voiceover. Feed your new timestamp document back into ChatGPT. Ask it to read the exact timing of each sentence and write unique visual descriptions for every specific scene block. Take those generated scene descriptions and paste them directly into a free AI image generator like Flow AI. Ensure your output is configured strictly to a 16:9 aspect ratio for standard YouTube video. Now we assemble the pieces in your editing software. If you are operating from a restricted region, you may need to run a free VPN to access certain desktop editing tools like CapCut. Import your assets. Drag your generated images onto the timeline and stretch their duration to match the exact start and stop times dictated by your timestamp document. Exporting a video with entirely static images can trigger YouTube's low-effort content flags. This often leads to a channel being rejected for monetization. To prevent this, you must add movement. Go to the beginning of your first image clip and drop a keyframe marker for scale and position. Then move to the end of that same clip and drop a second set of keyframes. On that final keyframe, slightly adjust the scale to zoom in and shift the position to pan. This forces continuous digital camera motion across the entire scene. Finally, apply an ease in and ease out function to those keyframes. This smooths out the movement, replacing robotic starts with a cinematic glide. This dynamic keyframing satisfies the persistent motion requirements for YouTube's original content policies, allowing the channel to be fully monetized. By strictly following these steps, you produce a professional US voiceover synchronized with moving, relevant AI imagery. This entire production cycle bypasses financial barriers by operating within the free tiers of various AI platforms. When you exhaust a platform's usage limit, you can rotate through different free Google accounts to restart your tool limits and continue production. If you run into technical issues setting up any of the AI platforms mentioned today, drop a question in the comment section below for troubleshooting. You now possess a repeatable, zero-cost framework. Using this system, you can build a portfolio of channels specifically optimized for high-revenue American audiences.